CoConstruct is an incredible tool for job site management that simplifies the construction process from start to finish. Whether you're a project manager or a contractor, understanding how CoConstruct can streamline your operations is key, so make sure to stick around until the end for a special bonus offer that could save you money on your next project. Now, let's dive in and see exactly what makes CoConstruct one of the best job site management tools out there. First up, the most important feature is its all-in-one project management capabilities. With CoConstruct, you can easily manage all aspects of your construction projects, from budgeting to scheduling and everything in between. It combines the features of multiple tools into one platform, which means less time spent jumping between apps and more time spent on actual work. This is essential for keeping your project on track and avoiding costly delays. Next thing, CoConstruct offers seamless communication with clients and subcontractors. Through its built-in messaging system, you can keep everyone in the loop and reduce the chances of miscommunication that could lead to mistakes. Whether you're sharing project updates, making requests, or handling change orders, everything is documented and easily accessible, so you never have to worry about losing an important conversation. The third thing CoConstruct does really well is keep track of expenses. With its budget tracking feature, you can easily monitor your spending in real time and stay on top of costs. It integrates with your accounting software, so you can get accurate financial reports without spending hours manually inputting data. This is particularly useful for avoiding budget overruns and ensuring your projects stay financially viable. Another standout feature of CoConstruct is its job site management tools. From tracking labor hours to managing materials, this software ensures that your job site runs smoothly. You can easily assign tasks to crew members, keep track of inventory, and even schedule inspections, all from one place. This means no more scrambling around trying to find where your materials are or who's responsible for what task. CoConstruct helps you stay organized and focused on what matters. The fifth thing is its client portal. This allows clients to access their own project details, including timelines, budgets, and progress updates. Giving clients transparency in real time not only builds trust, but also reduces the number of questions or concerns they might have. They can check the project's progress whenever they need to, making for a much smoother client experience. Lastly, CoConstruct integrates with other software tools, so if you're already using something like QuickBooks, Xero, or others, you don't have to worry about switching everything over. The integration capabilities allow CoConstruct to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow, which is a huge plus. Remember, if you're interested in trying CoConstruct for job site management, you can use this software completely free from the first link below. We've partnered up to bring you exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. To sum it up, CoConstruct is an all-encompassing solution for job site management, helping contractors and project managers manage their projects, budgets, communication, and schedules all in one place. And don't forget, if you act now, you can access an extended free trial of the software through the link below.